Hello, welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a sound demo video for you today. It's to accompany one of the listings that I have on my Etsy shop. It's so you can come along and have a listen to the sound, and it's for this beautiful drum just here. So we have an 18-inch buffalo skin shamanic drum on a willow wood frame. If I turn it over, you can see the way it's been made here. It's got a branch handle, so this is a silver birch branch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew, which is nice and strong. On the frame here on the inside I put some information. Birthed on the 20th of March 2024 in Knighton Palace, UK. That's to allow you to look up all of those astrological information that you need to find out what was happening energetically on the day when this drum was birthed. I put my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums, as well as buffalo and willow. So you've always got that record of the energies contained within the drum from the tree and from the animal skin. I'm going to play with a firm beater first, and then I'll swap over and play with a softer beater halfway through. And either of those or these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this drum to be yours. Okay, let's have a little play the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, and then the softer beater. Beautiful. Okay, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.